Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna showing you how to solve video not playing problem on Windows 11. It will both work for Windows 10 and Windows 7. For solving this problem, you will need a browser. I am using here Google Chrome. You can use any other browser. Search on any browser VLC for Windows, VLC for Windows, then click enter. Click the first link appear here, video LAN. It is an official site of VLC media player. Download official VLC player for Windows. Click it. Here you will see a download link option. It is 38 megabyte. Click over download VLC. Your download will start in few seconds. If not, click here option. I have given official link to download VLC media player. You can download it from the description link. It's downloading. Wait till completely download. After completely download, you will see a show in folder option. Click over show in folder option, then double click over VLC application file. Wait a few seconds. Now you're seeing that. Please select a language. I'm selecting here English as default. You can choose any other language, it will work similarly. Then click over next, then click next again. Here you can select another folder to install. I am not interested to change it. I am keeping it as default. Space required for that software 173 megabyte. Click install. Now we're seeing that installing. Please wait while VLC media player is being installed. Basically, Windows media player is for MP4 file. If you have .mov file, .3gp file or Android type of file, Windows unable to play it, so you will need a third-party app like VLC media player and codec. After completing VLC media player setup, click over finish. Now we're seeing that VLC media player installed successfully on my Windows 11 laptop. Double click over it, then click continue. Now you can play all type of file .mov, .3gp using VLC media player. I am showing you by playing that file which didn't play it last time. Select it and open with VLC media player. It will now you're seeing that .mov file playing smoothly. For copyrighted issue, I have muted the background music of that video. Open a folder where you have all type of video. Then right click over any video and click open with, then source another app. Here you will see select an app to this .mp4 file. You have to click VLC media player. You have to select always, then it will work for all video file on that computer or laptop. By using this method, you can play all type of video file on laptop or PC. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.